Today, we will be discussing about male infertility. Welcome to Smart Health Network. My name is Osawaru. Oftentimes, people or marriage couples don't usually talk about men infertility, but in most cases, or often cases, they talk about women infertility. Whereas sometimes it could be the man's problem that they are both unable to reproduce. That is why we are doing this topic today. Men infertility, what does it mean? It means the inability for the man to reproduce. It's divided into two: primary or secondary. Primary infertility means the man has not in any time in life impregnated a woman, while secondary means he has impregnated a woman before, but now is not able to do so. Is a more important aspect, especially when the man wants to reproduce, but is finding it difficult to reproduce. What are the causes? The causes are: number one, long-standing, poorly treated infection. Number two, hormonal imbalance that could result to poor testosterone, low testosterone, and inability to produce sperm. Another causes could be prostate. Enlarged prostate or ineffective prostate will, in more often times, reduce the ability of the man to be fertile. Then another thing could be a man penis is not able to stand, which they call erectile dysfunction. Now let's explain each part. Number one, we talk about infection, poorly long-standing infection. These include gonorrhea, syphilis, staphylococcus, and a whole of that. Studies have shown that these infections, when not treated effectively and they stay long in the body, can destroy the sperm producing cells in the man's body, and that will result to no sperm production at all. Number two, we talk about hormonal imbalance. The man could be okay, but the hormone that sits inside the production of sperm cells are not adequate, and that could result to no sperm production or reduce sperm production. They call it low sperm count. Another thing is erectile dysfunction. At this junction, I would like you to understand there's the difference between erectile dysfunction and 2-minute man. Erectile dysfunction is the inability of the penis to stand erect and to get the job done. That means the sperm is flaccid and not able to stand. And when the penis is flaccid and not able to stand, it's not able to penetrate and get to the level which it ejaculates and release sperm to the woman's body. Okay? Why these are also important to note, it's also important to also know that we need to remain healthy and to remain alert. In Smart Health Network, we focuses on men's health and to improve men's health in order to have the ability and the capacity to make money and create wealth. And one of that aspect is male fertility. That is why we are discussing the topic today. The reason is we have found out that it's very important that the man is happy at home and also happy to make money at work. A man who is happy at home, having fulfilled his purpose, will also be geared towards fulfilling the purpose in which he was employed and practice safely and effectively. What is the solution to male infertility? Number one, do exercise. We cannot overstress the importance of exercise in a man's life because it affects the total existence of the man's anatomy and physiology. Number two, go for checkup. As you also go for checkup, that we will be able to find out if you have any infection and you need to treat it. And if you are also having some feelings, as we have also noted when we discuss 2-minute man video, we also say if you are not performing optimally, it therefore is a time for you to see the doctor and discuss what could be the possible solution. Because one of the causes of infertility in men, we have said, is flaccid penis, called erectile dysfunction. Or your inability for your sperm, for your penis to stand erect is tied to infertility, and this can be solved if we see doctor on time and solution is profiled on time. Another thing is, as you also go for checkup, you are also doing tests to check your sperm level, because in most cases, hormone may be balanced, but the man comes down with low sperm count. Sometimes your system is free with infection, but you still have low sperm count. But earlier detection of low sperm counts and the progression of the count could result to a proper advice on what to do at the moment. As we also have noted that as women grow older, their chances of getting pregnant become slimmer. Also, a man with low sperm count, as he grow older, the chance of getting a woman pregnant go slimmer. That is fact. That is why if you do checkup as well and you find out your sperm count is low, and you check it maybe 3 months time and it's getting lower, it's time to change an approach on what you need to do at the moment. If you are the type that say, okay, you want to have children, it's time to have a rethink. Should I do it now? Should I wait in the future? These are health topic. These are health decisions that you need to make in order to enjoy more peacefully and the balance in creating wealth. Okay. Another solution you can do is eat balanced diet. Okay. While we have also said that obesity is a major problem in men's life, it is a contributor to mental health, it's a contributor to low testosterone. Therefore, obesity is also a contributor to men's infertility. That is why we are using this opportunity to say you need to watch what you eat and watch your weight. While you hit the gym, you do exercise, you also need to watch what you eat, because sometimes you could be doing exercise and you are not keeping fit with what you eat. And that, in most cases, we destroy all the effort you are putting into the exercise if you don't watch what you eat. Refined sugar is as dangerous as a bullet. As a man, you need to cut it down and stick to whole meal and eat healthy. All right. Another solution you can also do is, when a doctor prescribes drugs for you, take it as prescribed. Don't take any other person's drug. Don't skip doses. Don't disappoint on taking your medication as being prescribed. Take it as being prescribed. If you continue to remain alert and remain healthy in your pursuit of creating wealth, remember, your happiness and your health is an integral part to creating wealth. If you remain true to it, we will continue to remain healthy, alive, active, and be alive when your returning days arrive. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed, remain active, remain a man, and continue to make wealth.